Understanding Power Plant Switchyard Isolators. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of power plant switchyard isolators. Whether you're an engineer, enthusiast, or simply curious about how electricity is managed, you're in the right place. Let's get started. What is a switchyard isolator? A switchyard isolator, also known as a disconnect switch or isolating switch, is a crucial component in power distribution systems. Its primary function is to disconnect a specific part of the electrical system from the rest for maintenance or safety reasons. There are various types of switchyard isolators designed for different voltage levels and applications. These include air brake isolators, which are commonly used for medium voltage applications, and pantograph isolators, which are used for high voltage transmission lines. Operating principles. Let's discuss how a switchyard isolator operates. When closed, the isolator allows current to flow through it, connecting the circuits. When opened, it physically isolates the circuit, ensuring that no current can flow through, which is essential during maintenance or in case of faults. Importance in power plant safety. The safety implications of switchyard isolators cannot be overstated. They prevent electrical accidents by ensuring that circuits are de-energized before maintenance work begins. Proper training and adherence to safety protocols are crucial when working with isolators. Maintenance and inspection. Regular maintenance and inspection of switchyard isolators are vital to ensure their reliable operation. This includes checking for corrosion, proper alignment, and verifying electrical connections to prevent potential failures. And there you have it. Switchyard isolators play a pivotal role in the safe and efficient operation of power plants. Understanding their function and importance helps ensure uninterrupted electricity supply and worker safety. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.